a little bit of rain in the last little while. This is 2 storms that went through, but this is the last week and a half. So a good amount of rain. So I don't think I need to water. So I'm gonna empty this gauge, and I just thought I'd show you guys. So as I was emptying this, I noticed that the range gauge was cracked. And I also noticed this down on the ground here. These are fire ants. And I know because when I was emptying the rain gauge, I got stung. They love our garden because they love the looser soil. Now, I just read, my sister and I, and we're investigating what we could do about fire ants. And this is what we found. The best way to get rid of fire ants is to find another area with fire ants and get 2 people. You get 2 shovels and you put gloves on, and I forget what you put on you put something on the stem of your shovel or whatever you're using. You take 1 fire ant shovelful from 1 mound, and that person brings 1 fire ant shovelful from that mound, and then you quickly put the fire ants on the opposite mound. Now, fire ants are very territorial. That's why it works. Thank you for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead.